Full disclosure, everything you're about to watch was generated by AI. The analysis was done by Claude Opus exploring the GSD codebase. The app that made this video was vibe-coded with Claude Code and GSD. Remotion rendered the frames. ElevenLabs generated the voice you're hearing right now. So yes, we used the thing to make a thing that explains the thing. Make of that what you will. If you've tried building something substantial with Claude Code or Codex, you've probably noticed a pattern. It starts great, helpful, accurate, remembers what you're building. Then somewhere around hour 3, quality starts to slip. Forgetting context, contradicting earlier decisions, making mistakes it wouldn't have made at the start. There's a name for this, context rot, and it's not your fault. Let's talk about why. It comes down to something called the context window. Think of the context window like RAM. It's the AI's working memory. Everything goes in, prompts, code, conversation history, decisions. Claude's context window has 200,000 tokens. Sounds like a lot. It is for short tasks. Quality peaks around 30% context usage. After that, it degrades as the context fills up. By 70%, you're seeing significant issues. This isn't a bug, it's just how these models work. So what's the solution? GSD is built around 3 key ideas. Get shit done, a meta-prompting framework for Claude Code. First, break work into small pieces. Projects become phases, phases become plans. Each piece is small enough that Claude executes it perfectly, no degradation. Second, specialized agents, 11 of them. Researcher, planner, executor, verifier. Each agent gets a fresh 200K context, no accumulated confusion. Third, persistent memory and files. Project state lives in Markdown, not in the AI's head. When a new agent picks up work, it reads the files and knows exactly where things stand. When you start a new project, it asks questions to understand what you're building. GSD then creates the .planning folder. Project MD captures vision, requirements, and scope. During the execute phase, GSD analyzes dependencies and groups plans into waves. Every task creates its own commit tagged with the phase and plan. GSD has built-in checkpoints. Claude builds something, then asks you to verify it works. It's a structured feedback loop. You tell it what's working and what isn't. Nothing ships without your approval. The AI does the work, you make the calls. GSD was created by Lex, also known as TÂCHES or Glitter Cowboy. He's a music producer who hadn't coded before 2 years ago. He built GSD using the same AI tools it's designed for. GSD was created for solo devs building with AI. Anyone who's hit that wall where Claude stops being helpful. People who appreciate clean Git history and built-in verification. Want to try it? One command. npx get shit done cc. Install skills directly into Claude Code. 27 commands. New project, progress, plan, execute, verify. Run/GSD help to see what's available. GSD solves context rot. Atomic tasks, fresh agents, human checkpoints. Works for any project size. Open source, MIT licensed. Thanks for watching. Now go get some shit done.